Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your first forms on the Google Forms. So first, what you need to do is open this page, docs.google.com/forms, and in here there will be for a few that you can choose. You can create a form from scratch by clicking on this blank form, or you can also create one using the template by going to the template gallery. In here there will be lots of template that you can choose from a personal category, for work, education. So you can just choose your needs. For example, you want to create for work, let's say you want to create a form for job application, so you can just click on the forms that you want to use, the templates, and the template will be open. Now what you need to do is just modify it to fit your needs. You can, for example, you want to remove some question, you can just click on the questions, and here you can click on this delete questions option. And after you are done with the form, if you want to share it, you can click on this share. And then in here for the responder, you can see there will be this option. You can choose to anyone with the link. And then after that, you can click on done. And if you want to copy the link, you can just click on this, copy this responder link, and tap on copy. So you can just share it to the respondents. But if you want to create one from scratch, I'm going to show you how. You can click on this blank form, and a new blank form will be created. You can just fill in the title, descriptions, and the question. If you want to add another question, you can click on this add question button and just add the questions until you finish. If you want to modify the theme, you can click on this customize theme. You can change the color, change the font, and change the header. You can see this is the color, and if you want to change the header, you can click on this choose image and then choose the header that you want. You can use one from the Google form itself, or you can also choose one from your library. And so that's all from me. That's how you can create your first form on the Google Forms. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.